All right, let's get a check on our weather right now. It's 25 degrees out there, Dave.
Yeah, cold morning for many of us and a relatively warmer morning for some. Let me show you what I mean. Up here in Weld County, northern Adams County, we still have a big snow field up there. They had quite a bit of snow from that system that came through. In addition to that, some of the colder air is pooling in the lower elevations. So like Greeley's at 7 right now. It's 14 in Hudson and in Fort Collins. And then you go down south where we had a little more melting, a little less snow, about 33 in Elizabeth, 38 in Castle Rock, and 39 in Roxborough this morning. There's a few clouds and cold air showing up on the satellite and radar here out over eastern Colorado. As the sun pops up and we start to warm up, that'll go away and we'll have mostly sunny skies for the state, all due to high pressure, which is over the Rockies here. That's also bringing in kind of a westerly, southwesterly flow, a downslope wind for us. But out there on the west coast and the Pacific Northwest, our next snowstorm for the mountains coming through, and this one has packing quite a punch as far as wind goes. So in between, we're going to get a very strong jet stream that rolls through Colorado, kicks up the wind tonight into tomorrow, especially in the Front Range foothills and some of the foothills right around the Palmer Divide down here, Castle Rock down to Monument. High wind warning tonight, 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. tomorrow for wind gusts up to 75 miles per hour. So it will really be rocking even in the mountains and down into southern Colorado. Some of the winds down here could pop up to 60. And this area through here in northwestern Colorado for tomorrow has a high wind watch that'll go into play tomorrow. It's a warning when it's already happening or very close to happening. It's a watch when we're waiting for it at least a day out. So that's the deal on that. We could see up to 60 miles per hour in some of those spots. Already Berthoud Pass has been up over 75 miles per hour this morning. So it's pretty windy up there. With the westerly wind, sunny skies, warmer day today, a few more clouds in the afternoon. And there's the snow that starts in the mountains tonight into tomorrow morning. For us, though, it's all out of the west, so I'm not looking for any moisture out of this in the Denver metro area, just the wind from time to time. Winter storm warning now from Rocky Mountain National Park across Summit County back into Rabbit Ears, the flat tops out there, maybe about 5 to 12 inches tonight through Friday afternoon in some of those areas, all the way down to Crested Butte, and about 3 to 6 down there in some of the San Juans, along with the 60 to 70 mile per hour winds. 50s across the eastern plains, maybe 60s down to the southeast. We'll be about 55 in Denver, 36 for the low tonight, mild overnight low, 50 tomorrow. Possible first alert weather day because of the wind tomorrow. And then over the weekend, near 50. Next chance of snow will be on Monday with a few flurries coming our way by then.
All right, but we're used to it now, right?
Oh,
and 49 degrees, that's a lot warmer.
Yeah, not too bad, I think. And for the first day of December, in
Yeah.
the 50s this afternoon, I think it's going to be a good day.
That's not bad. All right, let's get a check on our traffic.
All right, we do have a few issues remaining